Hello, welcome to our tutorial on how to use the star rating element on Dotcom. Are you struggling with displaying your ratings on your website? Having a star rating on your website is a smart method to display star ratings on your services or products. Go to the desired theme page in your Dotcom account and click Elements. Drag and drop the star rating element to the design canvas. Hover over the element. You can customize it through 3 sections. Star rating element, container column, container row. 1. Star rating element. Click the edit icon on the element. It has 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. Here you can choose the range of your rating scale from the drop-down. To configure the marked value of the star rating, set the rating value here. Finally, add a title and alignment for your star rating element. Now, switch to the Style tab. Further, you can customize the color and unmarked color of the element. The final tab in this section is the Advanced tab. It has 4 subcomponents: Advanced, Background, Border, and Visibility. First is the Advanced section. Here, you can change the margin, padding, and width of the star rating element for different screen types. You can also change the position, z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes. Now, expand the Background section. Here, you can configure the background parameters of the element in normal mode and the hover effect. Select the Normal tab. Here you can set the background type as color or image. Next, you get to change the radius and box shadow. Click the Hover tab to perform similar customizations under the hover effect. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes. The last section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the star rating element on desktop, tablet, or mobile screens. That is all about the star rating element. 2. Container column. Click its edit icon. A customization panel loads on the right side of the screen. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust the different column parameters like column width, column gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Switch to the Style tab. It has 2 modes, Normal and Hover. Here, you can customize the style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Lastly, you can use the Advanced tab to make further customizations on the container column. 3. Container row. Hover over the container row and click the edit icon. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has Normal and Hover tabs. Under each mode, configure the background and border customizations of the container row. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can configure the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website using Dotcom. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.